Wait, there it is. That's so cool. That is so cool. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
The way that you leave me, keep me in your headspace. No, and creeping in the night, keeping me in the back lane. Hate it when you leave, when you're taking my time. Leave me alone for the rest of the night. Some things they have the upper hand in my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me.
Shit, something's in that water. Okay? That shit got aggressive real quick, and I don't want to say like I'm sensing anything, but I don't know about the ocean, bro. It's too big, and I've never complained about. Well, I have complained about size, but this is vast. This is too vast, bro. It's too fast. I have a Jaleel Jonathan. This is your nanny. What's her name? Tamika. Oh, this is for you and grandma. Oh. Wow, look at the bathroom. It's nice.
Our bathroom is just the same.
It's nice. Oh, this is our room, you guys.
And look in here.
It's so nice. What the hell is this? Oh, them plant for bonnet down? So them wow bonnet down. Look, I can sit here and just relax. I can vlog right here. I can do my makeup tutorials right here. This is so why. This seems kind of cool.
Sorry, I embarrassed the camp today. I really need to feel myself, and not in the good clown way.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs. That's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair.
Resting on it. I'm very familiar with.
I want more air cry. I want Jonathan. You want Gigi? And grandma, then close the door.
Plenty of time.
No, I closed it.
Open the tongue one.
No. Grandma told me to close it.
Don't want that. Some wishes do come true, yeah?
Good morning, guys. So it is. I'm going to be vlogging today, which is good. I have some clips from yesterday when we were at FDR. So I'm going to be including those, but We're going to be filming a beauty and the Bible today, but I think it's going to be voiceover because I want to watch movies while I'm doing my makeup. Then I have some Instagram reels to film, and then I'm going to film my Smile Bright video. So today should be a productive day, and I have to do all that before 11 a.m. So I should have been up a long time ago, so I'm going to get my ass up right now. And yeah. Good morning. Did not. What's wrong? The cereal bite you? A scorpion. Oh, okay. Didn't vlog yesterday. To tell you guys, good friend better than pocket money. Okay. So I've made a barrage of new friends, right? Most of them male, and I've been very hesitant to meet male friends because of the stigma with man and I'm going to pum pum. Fine. Now I feel like that has been like deeply ingrained in us, so that when we meet someone that we are like-minded with, we automatically interpret that as attraction and as sexual attraction. I've come across so many after my partner that I am attracted to, and I thought it was a sexual attraction, but it could not have been a sexual attraction. No, it is a sexual attraction. So when I spoke to my partner about it, I'm like, but this guy is good. I just don't want to have sex with him. But why is that there? And that's something I had to explore, which is why I'm telling you, the man on my arm, he is so special, unique. I feel like I'm named for. Because I don't think I could have these conversations with another man and him not get insecure. With this relationship, the fear of cheating was so much on me that it just caused little pocket arguments because of my own fear. Not because he has given me a reason to, but because it's a fear. I mean, even said to him, say, it's so weird that you get all this shit. And the truth is, if it was another guy that I've taken this seriously, even after my figure, it would have been the same thing. And my tell us, yeah, of course I have to put it on. And he must say, I have to be that open with him because of what I went through. That's what I say. I'm saying that I have to be that open with him because of what I went through. So with us, we have a friendship, and the men that I'm coming in contact with, we have a friendship. And I am adamant not to taint that with sexuality or being sexual, because that is like a retraining of the mind. Are you aware? It's a retraining. Each man me come in contact with, it's like a retraining. No man, I have a boyfriend. No man, I have a man. Trust me, you can't take me from my man. It's a retraining because that's what men are used to. So, boy, yeah, man, a drunk run is not many good ones there left, but the few what they there, they should be respected. Shout out to you, sir. Oh, and all my male friends. My male friends are dope. And because I love my man so much. Like, all of them was my man before, even. And again, I'm grateful because there's no horniness around our friendship. That is peace of mind. That for me is a breath of fresh air. And yet see me and my male friend them and kill you dead with sex already. Because I'm a nigga, and I saw me talk to people who I'm a nigga, I'm very open. So yeah. You want to sleep now?
He's so cute.
You want to sleep, Joe? You want to go and lie down and sleep now? I say if you want to lie down and sleep now, that's what I'm saying to you. You want to lie down and sleep now? Alright, then you can close the door, please. Thank you. I love you, bye. So, oh shit, need a rap for nose. So I'm going on the road, taking the boys. No, come in now, go walk back with my buckle. Need a rug. Mommy. Just drink the water and come now. Just drink the water and come. I didn't carry the water bottle. No, I'm ready. Wait, what do you want, Fren? So where's the water bottle? So why you empty your bag? No. Too big. It's too big to just put one water bottle in a bag. So I'm going to take Jalil to the doctor and then come back home, get ready. My student today, she's so good.
For 2 of us. It's only one door.
Okay.
So me and her can share.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you're shouting. I'm not carrying that.
It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. Like this, it's a whole mood, yeah. Catch a ride, shawty really got a vibe. Take me high, mile up, in the sky. And I tried to run, but we too turned up. Yeah, she said, why? Take it slow. I don't ride. She so real, no jack or high. She my type, she that one. I just might let it go, no breaks, cause I'm all gassed up. Yeah, thinking all, let you know, no. Hey. Why you gotta move like that, so listen. Yeah.
Hey, me and bad man said, no, Mr. No. Hey, we sleeping. I know the little boy is in the hospital now. He's like a murderer.
Leave it. It's not yours. Don't touch it. What do you want to eat? No, it's not of yours. I kill it. And I'm saying if it's not yours, it's Caleb own. So the answer is still no. It no matter what Gigi said. It's not yours. I kill it. I'm gonna eat out him snack already this morning. I'm not gonna buy that back. So no.
Yeah. Been a long time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I gotta wait a lifetime. Right now, this is my time. This is gonna be my year. I was gone a minute, now I'm back. Busy changing, breaking from the pack. Now waiting on a chance. I'm making my own plans. The world's gonna have to deal with that. Go and tell them that I'm had enough. Time's up. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Been a long time coming, look out. This is what I always dreamed about. I'm over being scared, let them talk and let them stare. Go tell them that my time is now. Go and tell them that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Yeah, was in the back of the pack, now I'm in first place. Used to dream about this life, now I see it in my face. Hard work pays off, gotta go, gotta get it. eyes on the prize, never worry about the critics. I didn't put it on my time, put it on my work. Made it through the storm, yeah, we came up from the dirt. It's go time, show 'em what I got. Long time coming, this time won't stop. From the crowd, I'ma stand out, no handouts. Taking on the world, so look at me now. This is just the beginning, progress still growing. They said I couldn't do it, so I guess I gotta show 'em. Now I feel unstoppable, now I'm feeling good. Look at how I'm winning, and they didn't think I would, but I didn't hold back, and the odds were all stacked. Now I'm playing this song, and I tell 'em I'm back. Go and tell 'em that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell 'em I'm back. 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 Yeah.
Can't wait to just have my own place where I can vlog. Because I'd love to like put my camera down and like have shots of me working in the kitchen and stuff, and it's just difficult to do. Today is the 21st of October. A little bit of an update. I'm editing some of the footage from the vlog that I was wondering where the hell did that footage go. I found them. The thing is, I have to sorry, I'm going to coffee. I can't even put it down. You can't even put it down on the tripod, the gimbal. Somebody actually buy it for. I can't even do that because the audio didn't be missing. So yeah, that's messing with me again. Oh, and side note, a dead ass thing up here is about to start because my mood just went from, it just shifted. I'd filming that we're walking. That's just a filming. Come in front of me. So, good morning, sorry. You me know I heard Texas, I heard city to know. Then she called to me, then she said, no, some yes, sir. She said, no, some yes, sir. And the driver says, oh, so whatever.